Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 27th of February. Awfully nice today, but rain comes back late tonight and tomorrow, and much colder air blows in here next week. Winter isn't over. Take a look at the upper air view across the country this afternoon. It's a zonal flow from west to east, and underneath that, pretty nice today. In fact, the northern third of the state is sunny. Southwest Alabama sunny, the bulk of the clouds over east and southeast Alabama, but nothing on radar. Things are quiet. And it is very mild. Most everybody in the 70s. Tuscaloosa, 77. How about that? A few spots in the 60s. For example, Auburn, they've got 66 with more clouds there. But around the region, look at the cold front over northwest Arkansas. Wow. Little Rock, 64. Tulsa, 29. And we'll feel that cold air next week. It's going to take a while before it reaches us. And around the nation, very cold air continues locked in across the northern states. On the watch warning map, winter weather advisories this afternoon. Parts of North Texas, Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, South Missouri, also parts of the northeast and the northwest. And again, for us, river flood warnings remain in effect for many of the rivers after the big rains of last week. Severe weather outlook through tonight. No severe weather expected. This is valid, by the way, through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, so there might be some thunder after midnight tonight, but nothing severe. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected. Again, there could be some thunder across the deep south with a wave coming through, but the SPC has taken out the marginal risk for South Alabama. But on day 3, it's still there. Got a marginal risk of severe storms south of a line from near Grove Hill to Greenville to Eufaula. And for the north, we don't expect any thunder, probably not much rain on Friday. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Again, a lot of rain and snow for California. Down here, rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches for most spots, and this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. So, model fans, let's take a look. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Zonal flow and a wave comes in with a good chance of showers and maybe some thunder. We think the best chance of rain will be tomorrow morning. Maybe a few lingering showers during the afternoon. The high should be in the 60s. And this is Friday. That wave is on by, so Friday looking fairly dry. We'll mention some risk of a shower, but at this point, not expecting much. High should be in the 60s. All right, the weekend beginning to be a little clearer here. This is the GFS, and this is suggesting a few showers are possible Saturday, but I wouldn't call it a rainy day. The high will be in the upper 60s, the sky mostly cloudy, and the big rain day is going to be Sunday. Getting good agreement now. Well, I say good agreement, at least good agreement in the fact that Sunday should be wet with a cold front approaching. We'll be in the 60s, and again, even now we're getting better agreement on Sunday. Sunday night at midnight, colder air begins to rush in, maybe a few flurries over the Tennessee Valley with no impact, and then Monday we are cold and dry. We'll be struggling to get out of the 30s with a strong north wind. It's not going to feel like March 4th. But let's check the European on Sunday. And again, it's got a pretty deep surface low, under 1,000 millibars north of where we are, and a fairly unstable air mass. And that would suggest a chance of strong, maybe severe storms. So we'll kind of keep an eye on the parameters as we get close to Sunday. Let's go to Tuesday, cold and dry. Tuesday morning, awfully cold. We'll be down toward 20, the colder pockets in the teens. The high only around 40. In fact, many spots north of Birmingham could stay in the 30s all day on Tuesday. These are the anomalies. Temperatures way below average for much of the country. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 6th, troughing on the East Coast. And again, we're cold and dry. The latest GFS, I note the operational GFS showing 19 here for Birmingham Wednesday morning. Ouch. Let's go out 10 days, Saturday the 9th, trough in the western states, and that looks like a little front kind of meandering about through here. Maybe a few showers, but the big story will be mountain snow back in the western states with that pattern. These are the temperature anomalies, the temperature probabilities for March 5th through March 9th. You can see much of the country way below average. And the numbers off the GFS ensemble, Highs drop in the 40s for the first half of next week. Lows way below freezing. It's got 21 there Wednesday morning. Again, the operational GFS has 19. But then we warm back up and we go back in the 60s by that following weekend, March 9th and March 10th. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.